Babe, without me, you were just so defenseless. From motorbikes and girls